Welcome back, everybody. I'm still working on my Deco mesh tubing chain, and I'm just adding some little bows and some embellishments on it, and so I wanted to share that with you. This is supposed to be blue and gold, so I'm doing blue and gold bows just off and on. I've already made several of them, but I wanted to show you how I made them and then how I was attaching them. So I need one more blue bow up here at the top. And how I get these similar sized, you could just go ahead and pre-cut them all, but I already made one bow and attached it before I did that. So what I do is I just go ahead and stick it on top of the other one and go ahead and fold it into shape, and then you can tell that it's the same size. So I'm just gonna cut that right there. Then get my pipe cleaner, and I just want to give that a little pinch in the center and a twist, pull it tight, and then I'm going to twist it so they're on the sides. I'm going to cut that, and I just want to leave a little bit, enough to wrap around the tubing. So I'm going to lay it on the front, flip it over, and then you can see that one's a little short, but this one I made plenty long, so it'll wrap around to the other side. And I can just smash that down so it doesn't leave anything to poke. And there you see, it's nice and snug now. Now I've just got this very bottom one, and I'm going to do it a little bit differently. I'm going to add just a little jingle bell on the bottom, so when she moves around, this will jingle. So again, I'm just going to flap that over, find your middle, go like that, but I want it to look like that. That's just a cheer bow style is what that is. So you just want to pinch it in, pinch the sides like that, and hold it there. And I've got just a little bit left of my pipe cleaner. Oh, I almost forgot my bell. So I want to put that through the bell like that, and put the bell on top. It's going to make it a little bit more difficult to pull, but I can still do it. I'm just going to give it a little twist so it's secure. There you go. How cute is that? Okay, now I'm going to put that down there on the bottom like this. Flip that over. Let's smash that down. I know it's a little difficult to see since everything is gold, but you'll find it. Smash that down. Kind of move it where you want it. There we go. I've got all my bows. And that looks perfectly cute. I could stop there, but I'm not going to because that wouldn't be me. So I've got some little embellishments or gemstones, rhinestones, whatever you want to call them. These are the sticky ones. And I use, I don't have any problem with using these, but I do like to add hot glue because they're not that sticky and they will fall off. So I'm going to put those on top of the gold. I'm just going to put just a little dab of hot glue right there in the middle, and then stick that on there. Tap it down. See, it just added a little extra there. Just gave it some bling and makes it a little bit more girly. Just these little touches will just make your mums so much better, so much more personalized. There you go. See all that? Now I've got some gold ones too. Oops, I'm never gonna get it. Trying to get these off this table is horrible. Okay, I'm gonna either glue the very back of it like I'm doing, and then glue it on there. but you're taking a chance of burning yourself, which I do a lot. Okay. I'll do this one the safe way. Tap it on there. These little boogers do not want to come out. Two more. It's a little dab. Doesn't take very much. Tap that on there. And last one. Uh-oh. Alright, there's my Deco mesh tubing chain. Again, this is the flat version and the hearts don't wiggle around. I just started that one this year. I wanted to do them a little differently. And I believe I've shown a tutorial on every version that I've done, so good luck. I hope y'all try it out and show me some pictures, and thanks for watching. Bye.